So we're here actually on the lovely Bayshore Trail between the Marriott, where the Wear 2.0 conference was held, and the hotel where we actually stayed. And so we're kind of wrapping up. We're on our way back to pick up our luggage. And so what did you think of the second and final day of Wear 2.0 2008?
Well, we'll talk about the whole thing because we talked about daily wrap-ups on the audio podcast, but overall, really good. Started off first day, Monday, with some tutorials, and then Monday night was the Ignite and Launchpad sessions. Tuesday, a full day, kind of a tech trend. Wednesday, kind of a context use case kind of trend through the Wednesday conversation. So those are kind of the 3 days. And really Tuesday and Wednesday were the actual conference, Wear 2.0 conference days. Last night, Tuesday night, Wearfare and Bird of the Feather session. So pretty good overall.
Yeah, and you can see actually a different location than previous Wear 2.0 conferences. It's actually right across a little strip of water from San Francisco airport, so you can probably hear the jets behind us. And this is their standard approach pattern. So, but I think that this year kind of was a little bit different than, of course, the last time we were there. And that is a lot of the attention this year was actually around making that next step beyond just a simple mashup. So what are you really going to do? And a lot of real excitement and interest around bringing in social networking data, which is not surprising because in the last year, Facebook, MySpace, and the data associated with those sites is really beginning to get interest.
Oh, yeah. So a lot of stuff last year began talking about mobile applications. This year, mobile applications really sprang up as social contenders. Anything from integration into Twitter to making sure that your mobile app or your social app is Fire Eagle compatible. We talked to people like Lightpole and Whirl, who are both looking at Fire Eagle compatibility so that you can share your location between apps, and of course, if you want to, share it with your community.
And that's just it. It's leveraging. So instead of the first year, we're really talking about leveraging base imagery and data for mashups. So just general user-generated content. This year, it's really about leveraging social networking data. So really, I'm curious to see what some of these applications are really going to show in the next few months. So Whirl, Poly9 we talked to, so their Free Earth and MapMaker applications. A lot of interesting things that we saw on both days, which you'll see interviews with a lot of people, so with 40s1's Finder Beta. And really, I think over the next few months, we're going to see how these applications actually play out.
So that's a really good kind of place to stop. As you can see behind us coming down is an airplane at the airport. Big planes, little planes, all fun. But it was a good time in San Francisco. As always, Wear 2.0, a good place to be. And be sure to check it out on the web or next year.